Crash Course 101, the difference between Forex, crypto, and stocks, and what you should trade. So, pasensya na if ever may marinig kayong maingay sa background kasi may tumatahol na aso doon sa malayo. Hindi ko alam kung sa kapitbahay ba or what. Pero let's start. So let's start with US stocks. So only open ng 9:30 AM to 4 PM EST. So yan yung time zone ng US. 9:30 AM sa kanila, sa atin sa PH time would be 9:30 PM to 4 AM. So if magte-trade ka ng US stocks, ready ka ba magpuyat? And open naman siya 5 days a week. Open during Mondays to Fridays. So sa Monday natin, hapon ng Monday night. Ay, hindi siya hapon. 9:30 PM ng Monday natin open na ang US stock market. And then at least may breaks ka Saturdays and Sundays. And pwede ka mag-short. Which means na pwede ka pa rin kumita ng pera kahit bumabagsak yung stock. While sa PH market, hindi pwede yung short selling. So short selling, segue lang tayo para alam nyo yung term na shorting. Shorting or short selling is when an investor borrows shares and immediately sells them, hoping he or she can scoop them up later at a lower price, return them to the lender and pocket the difference. So hindi nyo kailangan malaman yung talagang term or yung reason. Yung kailangan nyo lang tandaan is that kapag nag-short sell kayo, kikita kayo pag bumagsak yung stock or yung crypto or yung Forex currency. Pero dapat alam nyo or ine-expect nyo na babagsak siya bago kayo mag-set ng short order, short sell. So here's an example for a short trade na I took a while ago, kanina lang mismo. So ituturo ko yung patterns next time. So I saw a pattern here, descending triangle. So kapag nakikita ko yung pattern na yan, more or less likely na tumutuloy yung price lower. So dito ako nag-enter sa area na to ng short position, expecting na price would go lower. So afterwards, bumagsak siya konti, nag-recover konti, and then tuluyan ng bumagsak sa area where I took my profits. So yan ang short selling. Kumita ako kasi bumagsak yung Australian dollar versus Canadian dollar. So Forex to. So here are examples of US stocks. Amazon, yung ticker name niya is Amazon, AMZN, $AMZN. Facebook, $FB. Tesla, $Tesla. And the like. Ito, Microsoft and GameStop. So here's an example of the stock chart or stock price of Amazon from March 2020 to today. So no March 2020, $1,600. And then today, $3,211 na siya. So the next slide is FB, Facebook. March 2020, yung vertical line, $140 lang siya. And then today, $318 na siya. So my observations for the US stock market is that madalas mag-gap up and mag-gap down yung prices. So nagsiskip yung prices. For example, $100 siya today, bukas tumatalon siya ng $105 or vice versa, nag-gap down siya. Bumabagsak siya, nagsiskip siya ng $5. So if ever na bumili ka na sa $100 expecting na tataas yung price, tapos bumagsak siya, tumalon siya ng ng $90, gusto mo nang magbenta ng stock sa $95, wala, no choice ka, magbebenta ka sa $90 kasi nag-gap down. So, ito yung itsura ng nag-gap up and nag-gap down na stock. So, this is Facebook. Makikita nyo yung mga arrow signs naman. Full of gap ups and gap downs. So, for the next observation, walang company na gusto na malugi sila. So, if it's a solid company, then it will most likely go up in price. Meaning, pwede ka mag long-term investing sa mga companies na maganda. Kung naniniwala ka sa integrity, sa quality ng products nila or something. Yun yung ginagawa ni Warren Buffett. Investing instead of trading. So, an example for investing, a nice example would be Apple. Kung nakabili ka sa January 2003 and then hawak mo pa rin until today, you would have gotten 50,867% profits. Diba? Solid. Calculate nyo na lang yan kasi mahirap i-calculate yan sa utak. Kunyari, may capital kayo na $1,000, diba? More or less, baka 100,000 na siguro yun, or millions. So, the next slide is for Forex. Open na siya ng 5 a.m. ng Mondays natin dito sa Pilipinas. And then nagko-close siya tuwing Saturday 5 a.m. dito sa Pilipinas. So open siya 24/7 Monday to Friday. 5 days a week. Kasi there are open foreign exchanges open all over the world. Asian Exchange, London Exchange, and New York Exchange. Dito rin, pwede rin mag-short selling. Like the trade na pinakita ko kanina. So, here are some examples of Forex currencies. GBP USD, which is British Pound versus US dollar. And then Euro USD, which is Euro dollar versus US dollar, and then Australian dollar USD versus US dollar, and then GBP CAD, and then USD PHP. So makikita nyo naman dyan yung equivalent nila. So for the next slide would be my observations for the Forex market. So, minsan lang mangyari yung mga gap ups and gap downs. Kaya, yun yung gusto ko sa Forex kasi kung gusto ko makalabas sa ganitong presyo, makakalabas agad ako. Hindi ko kailangan mag-alala ng mga hindi makabenta sa presyo na gusto ko. So, price is moved by the strength of the currency's economy versus each other. So, labanan lang ng economy, more or less. Tsaka yung demand and ng buyers and sellers. And then, usually, sideways ang movement ng currencies. Hindi uso ang long-term investing dito. Bagay dito yung trading instead of investing. Yung investing, yung pang long-term katulad kanina sa Apple na 10-year-old, diba? Dito sa hindi siya uso. So, here's an example for Australian dollar versus US dollar. Kung binili nyo siya nung January 2010 and then hawak nyo pa rin siya hanggang today, lugi kayo ng negative 12% or 1,066 pips. Kasi sa Forex pips yung yung basehan, hindi percentage. Kasi 100 pips relative siya sa capital mo. Pwedeng $10 yan sa $100 capital. Pwede yan maging $100 naman sa $10,000 capital. Pwede naman siya maging $1,000 sa 100,000 ay sa $100,000 na account. So, relative ang pips. So, yun yung basehan. Okay, so bigla na lang umulan. Tapusin na natin to. Cryptocurrency. Lakasan ko na ng boses ko para marinig ko. Cryptocurrency, open siya 24/7. Kahit holidays ata, open siya. Malakas yung market recently. Bull market siya recently. I-explain ko yung bull market and bear market in a bit. And then, short selling is also available here. So, a bull market versus a bear market. Ito yung definition. A bull market occurs when securities are on the rise, while a bear market occurs when securities fall for a sustained period of time. So, bulls, meaning ng bulls, strong ang buyers, and then bears, strong ang sellers. So, pag sinabing bullish, mukhang malakas yung buyers. Pag sinabing bearish, strong sellers yung ibig sabihin. So, pag sinabing bull market, yung market overall, mukhang bullish. Kapag bear market overall, bumabagsak yung prices, malalakas yung sellers. So, here's an example of a bull and bear market. Ito yung weekly chart ng Bitcoin. So, makikita nyo sa first box, sa first green box, 2015 to 2017, akyat lang ng akyat yung prices, di ba? So, 2015 to 2017, bull market. And then, nagkaroon ng bear market, yung buong 2018, bear market, bumabagsak yung prices. Ay, yung price ng Bitcoin. So, bearish siya. And then, bullish siya, nag-short-term bullish, market nung half of 2019. And the other half of 2019, medyo nag-bearish siya and sideways. And then, bumagsak po ng, malakasan, I think, pandemic ata niya. Tama, yan yung start ng pandemic. Bumagsak. And then, nag-recover since March, siguro yan, March 2020 to recently. Bullish ulit yung market. And then, ngayon, bumabagsak siya. Hindi natin alam kung correction ba to or mag-reach siya sa 20,000 level. And then, mag-bear market tayo ulit, di ba? Kasi, bulls, bear. Hindi naman pwedeng tuluyan yan. Pero, it depends. Hindi natin alam. So, some examples of cryptocurrencies would be Bitcoin, yung pinakita ko kanina, Ethereum, ito yung ticker names nila, BTC USD, ETH USD, Doge USD, XRP USD, Dash USD. So, for my observations sa crypto market, maraming opportunities sa crypto. Actually, sa lahat maraming opportunities. For me, sa strategy ko, marami akong opportunities when it comes sa Forex market. Sa crypto, wala masyado kasi hindi ko inaral yung mga strategy na fit for crypto. Pero may mga strategies na gumagana sa crypto kaso wala yung opportunities ngayon. So, malakas yung markets recently kaso lahat sabay-sabay bumabagsak pag bumabagsak si Bitcoin. So, para sa akin, parang hindi siya okay. Pero pag umakyat na si Bitcoin, edi ayun, magdadami na ulit yung opportunities sa crypto market. So, market right now is full of panic sellers and are now scared. So, maraming takot ngayon, maraming nalugi, maraming depressed. So, most likely, babagsak pa yung prices. And then, hanggang sa mapagod yung sellers, and then magkaroon na ng bagong buyers. Parang nagre-reverse na. So, ngayon, either tapos na ang bull market or prices will go sideways for weeks to months before going up again para healthy yung trend. So, maraming markets, and you don't have to stick to one. Some would trade 2 markets, some would trade 1 market, some would trade all markets. So, sa nabanggit kong tatlo, meron pang ibang markets. Meron pang, I believe, options, meron pang bonds, meron pang indices. And I think yun na lahat. So, maraming markets, pero hindi lahat pare-parehas yung galawan. As I mentioned, some strategies might not work for Forex but might be profitable with stocks and or crypto, and vice versa. Some strategies may be less profitable sa isang market compared sa isang market. So, kailangan nyo na lang pakiramdaman yung yung market na fit para sa inyo. Kung anong time zone yung gusto nyo ba ng 24/7, gusto nyo ba ng Monday to Friday lang, gusto nyo ba ng PSE, wala masyadong opportunity sa PSE compared sa US, sa global, sa Forex, tsaka sa crypto kasi may shorting and may buying or going long. Sa PSE, bibili ka lang, walang shorting. So, if ever na may questions kayo, tanong lang kayo. And then, kung may kailangan akong i-improve, sabihin nyo lang kasi gusto kong mag-improve as a teacher or as an educator. So, ayun lang. Salamat. Medyo mahirap palang mag-edit. Ang galing ng mga YouTuber.